Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Strava app. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this application of Strava and we click. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.